Hi, my name is Alan Rich. I've been trading full-time for nearly 20 years. I've got some exciting trading tips that I think can help any trader with their trading. I found that lots of traders look at lots and lots of charts, and in fact what's actually happening with your eyesight, you can only really focus in one area at a time and you can't see what else is going on. So if you've got lots and lots of screens, as I used to have, you won't be able to see what's going on your third or fourth screen. So what I like to do is I like to take everything that's going on or that I'm watching, and I like to put it in a tabular version down here. Now this is not any tabular version. What this is doing is it's scanning the market in real time and it's telling me where all the action is. And I'm looking for momentum because it's momentum where I make my profits. At the moment you can see it's telling me all the momentum is in these currency pairs at the top. So all I have to do is click on the top currency pairs. It will show me where the momentum is and I can jump in there for a while and make some decent profits. What you can see here is it's momentum that makes me profits. If I have my charts too covered over with lots and lots of trend lines, other analysis, then what I'll do is I'll get analysis paralysis. And what I'm trying to do in all of this is get rid of the analysis paralysis and just literally find out where the momentum is and how I can trade it. So this morning I did a write-up in my blog very early at alanrichtrading.com, and I let my traders know where I thought the potential momentum would come from this morning. Then I need to trade it. So what I do is I colour out all the candles, and if the momentum is to the upside, then they will all be blue. Now as we go up, we make a series of waves, and I can either decide to stay with the whole of that wave, in which case I'll be following those blue dots, or if I want to carry and just get a day's money, I can go until I get the next red dot up there. So I can follow the momentum however I wish to do it. If it's for a longer term, it will be with the lower blue dots, and if it's just for a quick in and out, then it will be from a blue dot down here to the red dot we see at the top. What I like to do first of all is find out where the momentum is at the beginning of the day. So I use the scanner to help me find where it thinks the momentum might be coming from in the morning. And then my first plan is to get a day's money. It's a monetary target that I'm looking for. Let's think of it as a wage. So as soon as the momentum in the first swing peters out, the system I use, it will make a red dot. If I consider that's a good day's money, then when I get the red dot showing me the end of the swing, I'll just take the money and that's it. But if I think there's potential for it to run all day, then what I'll do is I'll lock in a potential morning's money with a stop, and then I'll keep lifting it underneath the pullbacks all day long until I get stopped out. But the first thing I do at the beginning of every single day, I use the scanner to help me find where it thinks the momentum's going to be that morning, and I go and get my wage first of all. Everything after that is a bonus. It's very, very important every single day to have a monetary target. Not a target on the charts like most people have. It's a monetary target that you're aiming for. It's your wage every single day that you're looking for first of all. Once you've made that day's money, if you don't want to take it and walk away, put the stop in to lock in that day's money and leave it alone. Because if you've got some really good momentum, that can carry on running during the day. But if you keep looking at it after the initial burst, then you're going to get mucked around in your mind by all the zigzagging and ups and downs that occur. So the best thing is lock in that day's money with a stop and walk away and take a break. Now, with momentum, you need to understand the times of the day when you can expect momentum to come in the markets. A lot of analysis gives you complete paralysis, but the times of the day are very, very important. You need to know where that momentum comes in. So many people learn about all the fundamentals and this, that, and the other, but with momentum, you need to understand the times of the day. You need to know when you need to start taking your profits, tightening up your stops, what might happen at this time, what might happen at that time. So this tip is learn the key times of the day and what you can expect to happen at those key times. Now, a lot of people say that if you day trade, you should be out at the end of the day. But let me tell you something, if you have some really very, very strong momentum, then what will happen is you will close near the highs of the day or the lows of the day. And what we can get is we can get the envy buy or the envy sell, where lots of people have missed out on what's happened and they get in the next day and they take it for another run. So what I suggest to you is this, that if the position that you're in runs very, very strongly one way or another during the day, then think about holding some of it overnight with a decent stop, so potentially you can get a 2-day or maybe a 3-day, and in some cases even more, a lot longer run where you turn a day trade into a swing trade. This is the final tip. What tends to happen with lots of traders is that they tend to get things a little bit wrong while they're actually trading. So on this tip, what I suggest is you get some one-to-one trading help from somebody that's been doing it for a number of years. And by that I mean over about 12 years. You don't want to go somewhere and somebody's been trading for about 3 years, because all you're going to get is looking at them from their experience. Go to somebody that's been doing it a long time, like my website, alanrichtrading.com, and I'll gladly help you get your trading right, turn it around, and if you're a beginner, get you to start at the very beginning. So this tip is get some one-to-one help. It really gets you on the right road to successful trading.